If you are watching this video today, believe me, it is not by chance. Your guardian angel has a crucial message for you. The seed you planted is about to blossom. You already feel this, don't you? All the effort, time, and energy you have dedicated to your passion have not gone unnoticed by the universe. Now is the time to let that energy flow. Keep doing your best, even without expecting anything in return, because the reward will come naturally. You will see the reflection of your internal work shining externally. This is about the impact of your words, about your power as a creator, as a person. You always influence those around you, even if they don't show it. Your journey is important. Your soul is ready for something great. It's time to embrace the mystery, to venture into the unknown. What comes next? Only by watching until the end will you find out. You know, sometimes we say yes to something, even without knowing exactly what will happen. And that's totally normal. Life is full of uncertainties, and actually, it is these uncertainties that make us grow. Every time we say yes, we are venturing into the unknown, betting on our potential. And that's amazing. Yes, we are always taking risks, but it is these risks that give us the chance to learn something new. Making mistakes is part of it, but it is by getting up and trying again that we truly strengthen and become a better person. Now, think carefully. You are risking something very important. You are allowing yourself to learn, to make mistakes, to fall and rise again. You are facing the discomfort that comes with personal growth. And that is essential. This journey of self-discovery is valuable. Being open to the unknown, to the mystery of life, is where true creativity lies. It is in the midst of mystery that innovation and creation flourish. What you are about to do is something new, like a birth. A new idea, a new project is being born from you. It may be that this project grows slowly, but it is in this gradual growth that the true beauty lies. With each step of this journey, you will learn a lot about yourself. You will achieve many small goals, and each one of them matters. Every little achievement is a step in your personal and professional development. I know that sometimes things seem to be moving slowly, evolving slowly. And it's okay to feel that way. Life doesn't always follow the pace we desire, but it's important to learn to find comfort in this slowness. How can you feel more comfortable with it? How can you develop more patience with yourself? Remember, it's not just about being patient with God and others, but also with yourself. Allow yourself to make mistakes on the path to success, to reach your goals. Be kind to yourself. Take care of your body, mind, and soul, in the same way you would care for someone you deeply love. It is essential to nurture your being. Your body is your vehicle, so how can you nourish it and ensure that it is a comfortable place to be? This will be different for each person. It's not about perfection or obsessive behavior. It's about finding balance and, once again, allowing yourself to make mistakes. Be aware of these mistakes. Recognize when you let yourself down, and learn from these situations. There is much beauty in moving slowly, in giving yourself time to ride the waves of change that life brings. Prepare for a new phase full of promises in your life. This rebirth comes loaded with opportunities and transformations. I know it wasn't easy to get here. You've been through tough times, felt discouraged, and almost gave up. You may have even paused to breathe and think. But despite everything, you never completely abandoned your dreams. This resilience is incredible and needs to be acknowledged. Valuing your inner strength is an invaluable gift that you can give yourself. Yes, the ultimate goal is important, but the true wealth lies in the journey you take to achieve it. Each step, each challenge overcome, each small victory contributes to your personal growth. This path, with its twists and uphill battles, is where the true essence of your transformation resides. Now you are taking the reins of your destiny, embracing this new phase with courage and determination. Your head is held high, your heart is open, and you are filled with passion. That passion, that internal flame that motivates you, is something that no one can take away from you. It is what keeps you strong and gives you the strength to move forward, regardless of the circumstances. Taking care of yourself is fundamental, and we need to understand that this is not selfishness, but a necessity. When we take care of ourselves, we are preparing to be the best version of ourselves for those around us. Imagine the following situation. You are on a plane and for safety reasons, they say to put the oxygen mask on yourself first before helping another person. This is an important reminder that, in order to be of use to others, we need to first be well ourselves. If you are not taking care of yourself, it becomes difficult to be a good friend, partner, or to contribute in a meaningful way to your community. Think of it as giving yourself the oxygen, love, energy, and time necessary to be at your best. When we are balanced and well cared for, we have the ability to help our communities and friends much more effectively. You are a creative person, with unique dreams and talents. Perhaps you have a business or aspire to create one in the future. Believe me, you have something special that is uniquely yours, something that deserves to be shared with the world. It is remarkable that you are keeping your hope high, and that is crucial. Having hope requires a lot of courage, just like dreaming big. And you know what? Dreaming big is all about you. It's about what you're creating, your creativity, your talent, your passion. All of this is an essential part of your journey of growth and healing. It's a huge part of who you are becoming. As you walk this path, allow yourself to dream big repeatedly. If, at any point, this feels uncomfortable or scary, know that it's okay. That fear is normal. But always remember that dreaming big requires a lot of courage. It's a journey full of challenges and moments when you think, okay, I'm going to give up, this is too much, it's too painful. But then, like a miracle, the angels appear to confirm that you are capable of overcoming all of this. Facing these ups and downs is part of the process. There will be days when everything seems impossible, but it's precisely on those days that you need to remember how much you have already achieved. Every little victory, every step taken towards your dream is proof of your strength and determination. Keep in mind that you are exactly where you should be on this journey of life. Although the road is still long and full of challenges, believe me, the point where you are right now is good enough. It's normal to feel like you should be much further ahead, especially considering your age and all the experiences you've already had. But remember, you are exactly where God wants you to be at this moment. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, is telling you, you are in the right place, at the right time. You shouldn't be further ahead or behind. You are here now for a reason, and you have done the best you could with what you had. Perhaps you have noticed specific signs around you, whether in nature, in animals, insects, or even in repetitive numbers. These signs are forms of divine communication, indicating that you are protected and that you are beginning to perceive this more clearly. If you have been trying to connect with your angels, spiritual guides, or with God, know that you are under divine protection. Often, things you do not see are silently working for your greater good. The big lesson here is to learn to be kinder to yourself and not judge yourself so harshly. You may feel that where you are now is not good enough and that reaching your goals seems almost impossible. These feelings are completely normal and part of the journey. It is natural to want to change direction from time to time. However, throughout this process, it is essential to learn to judge yourself less and also not judge others, protecting yourself from others' judgments. Remember, what others think about you is none of your business and should not belong to you. These opinions belong to them, not to you. So, how can you break free from this cycle of judgments? Freeing yourself from the fear of others' judgments is a tough task, but it is a continuous process that requires patience and persistence. It does not happen overnight, and you probably already know that, but it is always good to remember. Ask yourself, how am I judging myself right now? How am I being impacted by others' judgments? How can I better protect myself? Listening to yourself and paying attention to the signs your angels are sending is very important. Is there a repetitive number that keeps appearing to you? Any animal or insect that you frequently see? Notice the beauty around you and the signs that nature and events bring, as they are a divine language. Even if you do not hear anything or see any sign, that also carries a message. Perhaps something new is about to begin in your life. You have been planting the seeds, and this is something you have been striving to manifest. It may have been for a short time or a long time. It has been a long and difficult journey, full of ups and downs, but you are still here, standing tall, with your head held high, overcoming fear and obstacles. Understanding that, just like nature, we humans go through changing seasons, good and bad times. We cannot control nature, but we can learn to see the beauty in it, shifting our perspective on things and allowing our thoughts to arise, whether they are good or negative, without necessarily making them our truth. The mind and the nervous system want to keep us safe and stuck in the same place, so it is normal to let all feelings arise, but without making them our truth. It is important to have our own perspective on things and not let others' opinions and judgments affect us so much. Speaking the truth, being authentic with who you are, requires a lot of courage. Do not let other people influence you so much. You know how external factors, external energies, and situations beyond your control have affected you. They have influenced your mood, your healing journey, your soul journey. Within you lie the answers, but many external things have tried to interfere with your healing, with your soul-guided journey. Think of the times when you felt like you couldn't go on, but found the strength to take one more step. Remember the moments when you thought of giving up, but something inside you said to keep going. That inner strength, that voice that pushes you forward, is what truly matters. Do not let the external noise silence that voice. Every obstacle you have overcome has made you stronger and more prepared for the next challenge. Every time you fell and rose again, you showed yourself that you are capable. Do not underestimate your ability to adapt and grow. You are stronger than you think, and your experiences have shaped who you are today. Use that strength to keep moving forward, to keep planting your seeds. You have the power to change your perspective, to see the beauty in adversity, and to find light even in the darkest moments. Right now, you may be going through many changes in your life and trying to figure out who are the people you truly want around you. There may be a feeling of shame in ending a relationship, in closing a friendship, or in leaving something that no longer serves you. It's common to feel stress and shame about this, because you don't want to hurt anyone and you're afraid of making the wrong decision. This is something you have been struggling with. Believe me, the answers will come. It's a matter of letting them emerge slowly. They will come, and you will have more clarity about a situation that has been stressful and uncomfortable. What is the first step you can take today on this new journey? What can you do today that will nourish your soul, your brain, make you feel good, fulfilled? You can set small goals for yourself, something so simple, but that will make you feel like you are accomplishing something. Change small habits and celebrate every achievement, even if it's small. When we are children, we are celebrated for everything we do. You take the first step, lose a tooth, and there's always something to celebrate. Why don't we do that as adults? Why don't we celebrate ourselves and our small victories? It's important to make a list. That can be the first step. Sit down and write. There is something very powerful about writing something on a piece of paper. Many people don't do this anymore, but it's really powerful. Sit down and write. You are at a new emotional level, able to help other people, serve your community, your clients, the people who need you, emotionally and energetically, in a way that can truly change their lives. If you are here today listening to this message, what you have to offer will change the lives of others. And once again, you may not see this now, but you must flow with the mystery, embrace the mystery, be open to whatever arises. Give credit to all that you are, all that you do, all that you have to offer, your power, your strength, your skills, your passion. All of that is enough. And again, you may be in a strange moment now, seeking answers, you may feel overwhelmed, tired, or you may be in a moment of high vitality. This is beautiful. It's okay to change, it's okay to grow, it's okay to want to change, but you are also perfect just the way you are in this present moment. There is always room for improvement. Allow yourself to feel all the emotions that arise during this process. You are learning and growing, even when it seems like you're not. Remember to be kind to yourself, to give yourself credit for every small victory. You are stronger than you imagine and more loved than you can realize. Keep taking one step at a time, trusting that God is guiding each of your steps, bringing clarity and peace to your heart. This is a moment of transformation, and you are exactly where you need to be. Celebrate every advancement, no matter how small, and know that you are on the right path to a brighter and more fulfilling future. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it holds for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and be attentive to the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.